With Sendspark and Woodpecker together, you can create dynamic video emails that are going to automatically update for each of your recipients. So, for example, this video where you see "Hey there," when that's actually sent out, that's going to have the first name of every viewer, like "Hey Bethany," "Hey Brandon," your name. The way you set this up is you can record or upload your video into Sendspark. And then you're going to go to this video page to edit this. One thing to note is you're seeing the Sendspark brand styles here, but all of this can be customizable with your own logo and your own brand styles. And then the fun stuff is on this page under customize is where you can add your dynamic personalization. So you can add things like hi, first name, and use these other merge tags we have. When you put these tags on the Sendspark video here and then you send it in Woodpecker, we're going to be able to automatically connect into the Woodpecker contact data to show your contact, their first name, their company name, etc. So you can add text to the header above the video here, the message below the video. This is the message area. And you can also customize the call to action. So you could say like schedule a demo, first name. And you could also change the fallback here. So instead of like schedule demo first name, you could change it to say like schedule demo with me if for some reason you don't have their first name in Woodpecker. So, okay. So once you have this, you might want to also update the video thumbnail. So this is what you see right here in email where it says, "Hey there." And this is important for really driving engagement in email because it's the first thing that people see. So you can go ahead and where it says text overlay on the thumbnail editor, add personalization tags that you think could be helpful. So here we go. So you'll add these in here, and then that's going to show up on the thumbnail. To actually share your video, just click on this Woodpecker snippet, and then you can go ahead and paste this into your email in Woodpecker. So I already have one, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete the one that's there so you can see how this is going to work. So you'll just do on a Mac, Command V, and now you see the video thumbnail. If you don't like the space, you can delete it. If you don't like that this says watch video on Sendspark, you can also either edit this here or change that in your Sendspark workspace settings. So hopefully this can help you stand out, connect with prospects at scale in email. If there's anything else you need, just shoot us a message and let us know, and we'll be happy to help. All right, happy connecting.